I just got a phone call from some of my TikTok followers that they lost their cell phone off the boat launch by Boom Landing. Guy was getting his boat, dropped the phone. Let's go get it. All right, I'm here at Boom Landing. Got some flag down here. Got some flashlights. One for my buoy marker. One for me. We dropped right at the edge of the dock over here. So there's no boats coming in and out right now. I'm safe. Make sure I'm secure. I'm gonna head on out there. He said it's right at the end of the dock. It's about 5-6 feet deep. So let's go get it. Does it still work? Still works. Woo! Yeah! Successful phone retrieval. And it works. Look at that. There we go. Yeah, baby. Just pulled the back off. A little bit of water in there. This is a Samsung. Little bit of water up on the edge here. And not very much on the top here. All right, so this is Austin, guys. He's the one that I went and retrieved the phone from at Boom Landing. Tell us what happened.
Well, my brother here was pulling up to the dock, and I went to go catch him in my ice suit. My phone fell out, and I went in the water, so I dived in there, got stripped down naked, basically, and went swimming for about a good 30 seconds, and I jumped right back out.
Oh, wow.
We still went out fishing. So.
Well, trooper.
Yeah, tried hard.
I'm glad you got your phone back.
Appreciate you getting it. Yeah, we do appreciate you for doing that, and great guy. So hit him up.
Thanks.